things that I'm proud of my mother.
Something that I am proud of my mother.
My favorite thing about my mom.
Favorite thing about my mother.
One of my favorite things about my mother is
Favorite moments ako with my mom.
my favorite moment with my mother.
Probably my favorite moment was like
Something na I'm very thankful sa life ng mother ko is that
Something that I would like to learn from my mother.
What would I like to learn from my mom?
One of the things that I'm proud of my mother is how she is very dedicated to the Lord. How she works hard, especially for the Lord. How she commits to this thing that she's been doing for years. And personally, I want to learn from her. I want to be as committed, as dedicated, and as hardworking, like my mother, for the Lord.
It's something that I am proud of my mother is that she's very hardworking. Something na yung parang pagod na siya but she works hard to support and to sustain our needs.
favorite thing about my mom, or my favorite thing about my mom is how she is so sacrificial when it comes to our family and even to her sons and daughters. Grabe yung sakripisyo na binibigay niya. Even siguro pagkabata pa ako, to the point na nag-aaral na ako, grabe yung support, grabe yung sacrifice. And I really love about that sa kanya kasi never did she hesitate to sacrifice for his family, for us, his children.
One of my favorite things about my mother is grabe yung sacrifice niya na ginagawa niya sa pamilya. Yung from the time na sakto lang yung kinakain namin, still kami yung inuuna namin kanya. From that, proud ako sa mama ko kasi meron siyang isang ganon klase na pagmamahal para sa amin.
Favorite moments ako with my mom is siguro mga random chika. Kauban ng like yung mga future something, So, siguro mauguro mo promising siya kasi makabalo dyan ka nga na siya, future para na ako, and at the same time, interest yun niya sa Ginoo ang akong kinabuhi.
my favorite moment with my mother siguro when I was sick. Yung time na nagkasakit ako. That time kasi I really saw ang care and love ng mama ko for me from pag-alaga sa akin, and at the same time, that very moment, doon ko rin talaga mas nakilala yung mama ko deeper. Nakilala ko yung past ng mama ko kasi doon niya yung na-share during that time, that time na when I was sick.
Probably my favorite moment was like kahit kami lang ni mama sometimes mag-go sa town or just kami lang dalawa sa bahay. Like we sometimes bond over the smallest things, and even though sometimes nag-fight kami, we still manage to like overcome it.
If there's something na I'm very thankful sa life ng mother ko is that my mother will always have time for us. Kahit busy less, tadaligad time ka namon, tapos service ka din yung mom. And for everyone, my mom is my best friend. So, pwede yung man-share ko nila everything, maski na feel shameful, mga kosa sa taas So, I can really share sa mama ko. And when I share, hindi alatan judge. Instead, he corrected. Correctly the mga wrongdoings. And if I'm very thankful for the life of my mom kasi siya natang mga healing power after dali mi kabesa so manhag lang ko nele parang ay hindi duele parang ganun. So my mom is my best friend and my everything in this world.
What would I like to learn from my mother? Siguro one thing is that yung perseverance niya to take care of us. Parang ang hirap nun yung patience mo, kailangan mahaba din, and yung dedication mo, bakit gaano kami katigas yung ulo namin, yung mindset na nanay siya. Kahit ano pa mangyari sa amin or kahit ano ang hali namin, ang mindset talaga ng mama ko is that anak niya pa rin kami.
Something that I would like to learn from my mother is yung quality niya as a very strong person. Kasi with all those problems, loss of our father and financial problems, mga struggles pa, she remains strong and going on lang yun sa life, persevering with the life despite of this everyday struggle. Also, very selfless din. So much for us but less of her kasi kahit man mahirap, kahit man maliit na lang yung budget, binibigay niya pa for us to enjoy.
thing about my mother, no, even though maskin babaan siya, maskin kanang pimi makasaban ko sa balay, pero favorite din ako is maskin unsa man mi ka dili kabutan sa balay, syempre ginulutuan gyapon mi niya og lami nga pagkaon, di ba? Makuan gyapon mi mabusog mi nami kaunon kada gabi, maskin mulupad man ang kaldero, pero inigbalik na unod.
Talaga gusto ko talaga mag-give ng cash. Walang biro. Pero yun, gusto. Okay? Depende pa sa availability ng funds. Pero gusto ko talaga magbigay ng cash. And gusto ko talaga mag-spend ng quality time sa kanya. Kasi di ba, especially ngayon, alam ko makaka-relate ang mga arrows, di ba, busy sa work and all. Gusto ko talaga mag-spend lang ng time with her. And don't mind po yung nasa likod, dumadaan-daan. So yun lang po.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
Happy Mother's Day to you, to